Ruth Bader Ginsburg spent her career fighting for women's rights and breaking the glass ceiling in the judicial system.
Part of a small group of female students at Harvard Law, she befriended a young woman from Grosse Pointe. Priya Mann has their special connection.
Kendra Nordine's mom started Harvard Law School in 1956, only the sixth class of women admitted. She was classmates with a young, brilliant woman who would later be appointed to the highest court in the country.
Kind of neat to think my mom was shoulder to shoulder with her in those intimidating halls of Harvard Law School, just proving that they deserve to be there like anybody else.
In 1956, Ruth Bader Ginsburg was one of only 9 female students at Harvard Law. One of her classmates was a young woman from Grosse Pointe.
Even if my mom didn't make it as far in the legal profession as Justice Ginsburg, she was there with her. She created that sense of camaraderie. It gave women the courage to just keep moving forward.
Virginia Nordine was a trailblazer in her own right. The tenured professor was passionate about the same causes as Justice Ginsburg, and RBG remembered Virginia fondly.
Dear Kendra, your mother was the only other woman in my 1L section. We were good friends in law school.
Kendra wrote to Ginsburg after the late justice was interviewed about her early days at Harvard. She was stunned when the 87-year-old cultural icon promptly wrote her back.
And the fact that she took the time when she was, the last weeks of her life to write me a couple sentences to say, just to honor my mom was so generous. It's very moving.
Virginia died in 2017 at the age of 84. Now with Justice Ginsburg's passing, it feels like the end of an era. But what these women accomplished side by side as young law students will stand the test of time. I'm Priya Mann, Local 4.